alert system designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love. Song after song. Positive, encouraging music. K-Love.
Whatever.
Pittsburgh 2020 JL.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system on the Talk of Pittsburgh 1320 WJAS. This was only a test.
Pittsburgh traffic and weather. In Clairton, Rockside has 837 closed.
This radio station, KH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
Of course I missed the tones, but it's whatever. Right.
River rescue data for today, March 8th.
Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Very cold with lows around 20. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG-53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast for west central Pennsylvania.